Most people rush this and get 1. That answer is wrong. First, put everything on one line. 3 divided by 6 divided by 3 times 6. Start with 3 divided by 6. That equals 3/6. 3/6 simplifies to 1/2 because both numbers divide by 3. And by the way, this is exactly the step where my sharper students slow down and get it right. Now bring the rest over. 3 times 6 equals 18. The expression is now 1/2 divided by 18. Dividing by a number means multiplying by its reciprocal. So this becomes 1/2 times 1/18. Multiply straight across. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 18 is 36. The final answer is 1/36. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe. For more math breakdowns like this, watch the videos on the Mathalgo channel.